Hi YouTube, welcome to WesPicks. Today we've got this Corbin Assa Abloy. It's got a chrome shackle and stainless springs. Very nice keyway with bitting to match. Very nice. As you can see and as you'd expect, it works very nicely. I thought we'd give it a go, see if we can get into it. We're going to use, if I can find, we're going to use the Le Corbeau and hopefully, if I can find, a tension wrench. I swore I had one just now. Yeah, here we go. So anyway, comes prepared. Let's give it a go. Get that in focus. So, a bit of tension on number one. Overset something then. Somewhat overset here. Try again, so nothing on one now. Dropped into a false set off in number two. Very slight false set. Back to number one, a little bit more on number one. Little click on number three. Nothing on number four. Nothing. That little click out on number six. Getting a bit of counter on number six. Big overset then. Let's go back to number two, see if we can get our false set back. Start again. So a little false set off on number two, a bit more on number three, sorry, number one. So number three is tight, four is tight. And we're in. Oh, that took a little while, didn't it? A few oversets there. Well, that was the Corbin Assa Abloy 6-pinner. I think we got a little bit of time for a bit of pick pawn. It's my latest in Amboina burl, which is a very beautifully grained wood. We've got clear blue acrylic pins with Lawlock steel on the medium hook. That's 0.5mm or 20/1000 of an inch. Very nice, super light wood, but quite strong. Finished with super glue. Should be able to get a shine on there somewhere. There we go. Yeah. Very nice wood to work with. Quite soft, easy sounding, but once you put the super glue on there, it makes it rock hard. I love finishing picks with super glue. Anyway, this is one of the very few picks I've managed to make this year because of work commitments. but I'm hoping come February we'll be back on it. But anyway, I thought you might enjoy that. That is Amboina burl, and that was Wespix. Thank you very much.